Nia and the Elephant of Unity. Once upon a time, in the beautiful city of Cape Town, lived a little girl named Nia. Nia was known for her adventurous spirit and her love for the rich traditions of South Africa. One day, Nias' grandmother told her about the legendary Elephant of Unity, a mythical creature said to bring peace and harmony to the people of South Africa. Intrigued, Nia decided to find this elephant. With her grandmother's stories as her guide, Nia embarked on her journey. She traveled through the bustling streets of Cape Town, the majestic Table Mountain, and the stunning Cape of Good Hope. After many days and nights, Nia finally found the Elephant of Unity near the Limpopo River. The elephant was as magnificent as the stories, its skin shimmering like the African sun. Remembering her grandmother's words, Nia approached the elephant with respect and offered it a bunch of marula fruits, the elephant's favorite. The elephant, pleased with Nia's kindness, agreed to accompany her back to Cape Town. When Nia returned with the Elephant of Unity, the people of Cape Town were overjoyed. The elephant's presence brought a sense of unity and harmony among the people. They worked together to build a better community, celebrating their diverse cultures and traditions. And so, Nia, the little girl from Cape Town, became a symbol of unity and harmony, her story echoing through the generations.